In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Vimeo video on your website effortlessly. Whether you're running a blog, managing a business site, or just looking to share some great content with your audience, embedding videos is a powerful way to enhance your site's multimedia experience. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First, navigate to Vimeo and find the page of the video you wish to embed on your site. Maybe it's a promo video for your latest product, a mesmerizing travel vlog, or a thought-provoking documentary. Whatever your choice, locate the particular video by browsing through Vimeo, or directly through a link if you have one. Once you've landed on the video's page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. In the top right corner of the video player, you should see a Share button. This is your gateway to getting that video onto your site. Click on this Share button and a modal window should open up. This window provides various options for sharing your video, but we're going to focus on embedding. Within this modal, look for the Embed tab. Click on it, and you'll be presented with HTML code. Usually, this will be in snippet. This snippet is crucial, as it is the code you will place on your website to display the video. Now, if you're a bit tech-savvy or have specific design needs, you can click on the Customize option here. This allows you to adjust the video's dimensions, such as width and height, to better fit the style or space of your site. You might also find some other settings here to tweak how the video appears, so feel free to explore these options if they suit your needs. Once you're satisfied with your settings, or if you're happy with the default setup, it's time to copy the embed code. Highlight the entire HTML code provided, right-click to copy, or use your keyboard shortcut for copying. Now that you have the code copied, navigate to your website's HTML editor. If you're using a website builder, there is often an HTML section or widget where you can paste this code. Simply find that section, paste the embed code, and voila! Your chosen Vimeo video should now be displayed on your web page just as you visualized it. And there you have it. Simple steps to incorporate engaging Vimeo content seamlessly into your online space. Remember, video content is a powerful medium and can make your website more engaging and enjoyable for visitors. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and happy embedding.